Hey there and welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into an interesting problem that involves filtering specific lines in a file and making replacements. The problem we're tackling here is related to pattern matching and text manipulation using awk. It's a common scenario where you need to process text files based on specific criteria, so this is a great exercise to sharpen your skills in text processing. Moving on to the solution provided, let's break it down a bit. The code snippet we're focusing on is where we assign a regular expression pattern to a variable in awk. The use of the @ symbol before the regex pattern indicates that it's a strongly typed regex constant in new awk. This allows us to define and store the regular expression pattern in a variable for later use. The comparison between the two scenarios, with and without the symbol, helps in understanding how the pattern is assigned and used in the script. It's a smart way to handle regular expressions in awk and makes the script more readable and efficient. Bringing it all together, we've covered a neat trick in awk for working with regular expressions and text manipulation. By using strongly typed regex constants, we can store and reuse complex patterns in our scripts with ease. This solution provides a solid foundation for handling similar text processing tasks efficiently. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding, and may your scripts always run smoothly.